Hey Guiding Bolt fans, this is the next video in the Harry Potter Christmas series. I made these very cute dragon eggs ornaments. That is an unpainted one. This is one that was painted with this foil metallic blue, and then there's another color back there as well. They're super easy. So all you need to have are these foam eggs, some type of tacks. These are plain silver ones. Some type of string to do the string, obviously. And it's super easy. You just start on the bottom, start in the center, and start going around in a circle. I used hot glue when I was doing this because I want this to really stay, and they are kind of heavy. So you just kind of do a line of hot glue, keep going around in a circle until you get back to the top. And then, like I said, if you want to spray paint them, this is it without spray paint on. These are the ones that I spray painted outside. Pretty simple. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this series, make sure you subscribe and hit like below.